2019 GMC Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec engine with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, lane departure warning, navigation system, backup camera, power liftgate, power passenger seat, leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.